Okay, this is just a real quick walkthrough. Not a whole lot's changed, but basically interior demo is done, except for this little bit of lath here, but that's just kind of protecting from the elements. So all the fiberglass is gone, all the plaster is gone, all the bat insulation from the attic is gone. Have everything open up now, so I'll probably end up before they were going to drill through from the back, because we're going to have a wall here. They're going to drill through from the outside and blow in that fiberglass. Now that we have all these walls exposed, we'll probably just use regular bat insulation, which be a little cheaper. I think it'll be a little cheaper. And that's pretty much it. Most of everything that's above me right now is eventually going away, including all these ceiling joists. Rather than rebuilding on top of it, we're just removing it all. The backyard right now, let me see if I can just, it's raining, but supposedly my phone is waterproof. So rain day on the construction site means basically no work, at least no outside work. I'm just here to give a check to one of the guys and check on things. So they got it all covered up essentially. Looks like so far it's doing a pretty good job. The goal is mostly to prevent washout on the sides, and so for the most part it's achieved that. There's a couple pooling spots down below, but all the excavation's done. They've started building out the forms for the concrete footers, which is the extra wide piece of concrete at the very bottom that the walls sit on, essentially. So that gets poured first, and you let that cure for a few days, and then they start doing the walls or other stuff. Actually, they do the floor first, but got some plumbing work to do after that, before they can pour the floor. I think that's about it. Like I said, not much going on here today. Kind of interesting to see the house really fully opened up now. You can really see how they used to use. Nowadays, a piece of lumber like this, they would just discard, or they'd probably grind it up for pulp or something like that, or maybe use half of the board, but back then they really didn't waste any of it. So there's quite a few pieces of lumber that are like that. You also notice that these are, it may be hard to tell, but these are definitely thicker than regular 2x4. Yeah, you can compare this. So this is a 2x4, and this is technically a 2x4, but this actually is probably 2 inches. So nowadays they kind of finish each board, and you lose some of the board in the process. So anyways, it's interesting to see it all opened up, and yeah, I mean, we might end up trying to save some of these boards. I don't know. We have a lot of roof issues and mold up there. There's a lot of mold in the fiberglass, so condition of these roof boards may not be good. And then again, we have a ton of lumber in the shed anyways from our tree. But yeah, that's it for today, I guess. have another update probably in a couple days once they pour the footers. Start to do the plumbing, and we'll go from there.